Good morning, KG1C kids. I am so happy to see you. Happy Monday. You might notice we have a calendar that looks a little different. It's like a little baby calendar. It's smaller than the calendar we had in our classroom in Dubai, but it fits in here in my mini classroom really nicely. So you can see it says April, and it has a little birdhouse and a little bird because sometimes in spring here the birds come out when it gets warmer, and the year is 2020 or 2020. Yesterday was the 26th, so if we count, can you count with me from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. And you all know the number 7 and the number 2, and together we have 27. All right, let's do we have 3 mystery kids today. Now remember, these are kids that haven't had a turn yet. And I think these are our last 3 that haven't had a turn. So first up, we have a boy. And his name starts with the letter K. Now, we know it's not Khalifa because he went yesterday. This is a boy. His name starts with the letter K. And he is very quiet when we are at the carpet and a story is being read. But he also loves to talk and play with friends. Do you have any idea who it is? Let's see. If you're guessing in your head, let's see if you were right. Did you say Khalif? Yay for Khalif. Next up, we have a girl, and her name starts with the letter F. And I'm actually going to take down the calendar because we're going to be putting something up in a minute. Her name starts with the letter F. F. Now, she likes to do all kinds of things in the classroom. I see her playing a lot with baby dolls and also the pretend food, but also doing different kinds of artwork. And do you have an idea who this girl could be? Did you say Fatima? It's Fatima, yay, Fatima. And last but not least, we have a boy whose name starts with the letter J. Now, I'll give you a clue. His mom is one of your teachers. Who is a boy in our class? His name starts with a J, and his mom is one of your teachers. Do you know? Let's see if you guessed right. Did you say Jason? Yay! Because Miss Rahma teaches your Islamic education class. All right. So we have gone through, look, our whole class. These are all the kids, and now I'm going to think of another game that we can play that has us using a couple kids each day. I gotta think about that. Maybe I'll ask Miss Nicole if she has any ideas. I told her about this game, and now she's playing it with her class. Okay, so we are going to do a couple things this morning. Really quick. I'm going to scoot these out of the way for a moment. And we're going to sing a song we haven't sung in a while. And this is a song about you guys. Do you remember this song? Well, you can sing it with me if you remember it, and if you don't, you can just look with your eyes and listen. There's Maryam and Khadijah, there's Jason and Sultan, there's Hannah and Hatim, and then there's Rafaida, there's Imran and Amal, Mustafa and Faisal, Khalifa and Latifa, and then there's Fatima. There's Sarah, Saif, and Rui, Loren, and Hind. There's Khalif and Jed, and then Miss Jing and Miss Heather and Miss Foxy. KG1C, 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 KG1C. All right. Now, make sure I didn't miss any pages. I almost felt like that song was too short. Nope, I got all the pages. Phew, didn't forget anyone. Okay, now we're going to start practicing something pretty cool this week. And you have to follow me and do what I do. You're going to need your arms for this. So make sure you have both of your arms and you can move them and you can use them. And I'm going to just tilt this down a little bit. Let's see if you can see. Oh, perfect. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a little switchy here and move the whiteboard. Okay. And I'm going to scoot this. Let's see if you can, how this is. Okay. Now, here's what we're going to do. This is the game, and you have to do what I do with your arm, okay? So, you're going to be touching your shoulder and then touching your arm like right here, like this. And I'm going to tilt this down a little more so that you can see on my arm what I'm touching. So we're going to do cow first, and it's going to go like this. Ow, cow. Can you do it with me? Ow, cow. And now it's going to be my turn and then your turn. My turn. Ow, cow. Your turn. Ow, cow. Good. Now with hat, we're going to do my turn, your turn, okay? At, hat. Your turn. Hat, hat. Good. I want you to do hat again. Ready? Okay, rain, my turn, your turn. Ain, rain, your turn. Ain, rain. Good job. Now car, my turn, your turn. R, car, your turn. R, car. Good job. Ready for cup, my turn, your turn. Up, cup, your turn. Good job. House, my turn, your turn. House, house, your turn. House, house. Nice job, you're getting it. Make sure you're doing it with me, okay? Because this is going to be what you're going to practice for your classwork on Seesaw. Ready? Sock, my turn, your turn. Sock, sock. Your turn. Sock, sock. Good job. Cat, my turn, your turn. At, cat. Your turn. Cat, cat. All right, we did all of them on this side. My goodness. Now, we're not going to do quite all of them over here, but we're going to do the top row. Actually, we're going to do a few of them. Are you ready? Ready for cake? My turn, your turn. Ache, Cake. Your turn. Cake. Cake. Good job, good job. Okay, we're going to do soap. My turn, your turn. Soap. Soap. Your turn. Soap. Soap. Good job. Do you want to do rainbow? Should we do it? Okay, my turn, your turn. Rainbow. Rainbow. Your turn. Rainbow. Rainbow. Good job, good job. Let's pick one more to do. How about we will do rocket and then happy? Because rockets are cool. And actually, let's do heart. Let's do rocket and then heart because I love you all so much. Okay, ready for rocket? My turn, your turn. Rocket. Rocket. Your turn. Rocket. Rocket. Good job. And last one, heart. My turn, your turn. Art. Heart. Your turn. All right, that is our first practice that we're gonna be doing this type of practicing again, and it's gonna be what you practice in a little video that you're gonna send to me on Seesaw. So thank you so much for your hard work. I'm sending you lots of hugs and blowing you kisses and high fives. Wait, high five, high five, high five, high five, and I'll see you in a little bit for science, okay? Bye-bye.